তব দেখা পাই চিরদিন কেন পাই না ক্ষণিক আলোকে আখির পলকে তোমায় যবে পাই দেখিতে ওহে ক্ষণিক আলোকে আখির পলকে তোমায় যবে।
Hey everyone, Assalamualaikum and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well, and today I'm back again with another makeup tutorial, and this is obviously, you guys can tell, is a Pohela Boishak makeup tutorial. This is not going to be the only tutorial for my Pohela Boishak this year, so I will be doing another one, and I did this look for you guys. And for my viewers overseas who actually don't know about Pohela Boishak, it is basically the Bengali New Year, so we celebrated with lots of colors and everything. So this is for that occasion, and if you guys want to see how I did this smoky look, then let's move on with the tutorial. So as it is going to be burning outside in the day of Pohela Boishak, make sure you guys apply a sunscreen before starting your makeup routine, and also don't forget to apply sunscreen to your exposed areas like your hand, your feet, because it's really important, because otherwise you will end up with a very bad suntan. So the primer that I'm going to be using today is the Touch in Soul No Poreblem primer, and this is a pore minimizing primer, and that's why it's also kind of like mattifying, and I want that mattifying effect today because this is going to be a Pohela Boishak makeup look. To hide out this bad boys, now I'm going to be using my color corrector, and this is the Eyeshadow Pro HD concealer in the shade Fawn. For foundation, I'm going to be using the new Dior Forever Matte Foundation, and this is in the shade 4W41. And I believe there is also another variant which is for like kind of like glowy look. I didn't get that one. I prefer the matte version more. It's time to highlight my face, and for that I'm going to be using my MAC Prolongwear concealer in the shade NC35. To set my face and to make the makeup more long lasting, I'm going to be using my Huda Beauty Easy Bake Powder, and this is in the shade Blondie. Done with setting my face, and now I'm going to be doing my eyebrows, but I will do them off camera. If you guys want to see how I do them, I will give the link somewhere here. So I will be right back after doing the eyebrows, and I will be doing my eye makeup. I'm going to be starting the eye makeup, but I did apply a little bit of loose powder underneath my eyes because the eye makeup is going to be very smoky, so I don't want any fallout to ruin my base makeup. That's why this powder is applied, so that I can just dust off the extra fallout when I need to. I'm taking the Huda Beauty Topaz Obsession eyeshadow palette, and from this one I'm going to be picking up this yellow and this orangey shade, and these are going to be working as my transition colors. Now I'm taking the Pixi Beauty Natural Beauty eyeshadow palette, and from this one I'm going to be picking up this shimmery chocolatey shade, and later I'll be taking this one. This is a matte chocolate brown shade. I am going to be applying this one later in my crease area. Now you can see that this one is much more blended, and it does have the dark crease area, but here it is looking totally messy. So I'm just going to be binding everything together with the brown shade. Again from the Pixi Beauty palette, I'm just taking this shimmery shade and I'm just going to be lightly tapping it in my eyelid so that it has like a little bit of glitteriness. Now I'm going to be applying the Marc Jacob Highliner in my waterline. Now I'm taking this black shade from the Huda Beauty Smokey Obsession eyeshadow palette and I'm going to be applying this one in my lower lash line with a small pencil brush. I'm also dragging this shade a little bit in my upper lid just to have that smoky liner effect. I'm going back to this orangey shade from my previous palette and I'm just going to be softening the black shade a little bit with this one. Going to be applying some mascara in my lashes and I'm going to be using the Lancome Hypnose mascara. Going to be applying some false eyelashes and I'm going to be using the Lily Lashes in Style Miami. Here's the eyelash and now I'm going to be highlighting my brow bone and inner corner, and for that I'm going to be using this Pixi Beauty eyeshadow. Coming back to the face makeup, and I am going to be bronzing up my face and I'm going to be using my W7 bronzer. For highlighter, I'm using the Huda Beauty Bronze Sands Edition highlighter palette, and first I'm going to be applying the cream and then the powder. For blush, I'm using the Morphe AW palette. It's time for the lipstick, and for the lips, I'm today using this Kylie Lip Kit, and this is in the shade Boss. But I'm not going to be using the Kylie Lip Kit lip liner. I'm going to be taking this Huda Beauty lip liner in the shade Famous to line my lips. I don't think I'm actually liking this shade of red, so I think I'm going to be just applying another shade. I think I'm going to be using this Fenty Beauty Uncensored liquid lipstick. Now to set the face, I'm going to be using my Smashbox Photo Finish Primer Water. And I'll be right back after wearing the accessories. So this is the final look after finishing the rest of my makeup. I hope you guys enjoyed this one and you guys will try out this look, and if you guys do, then make sure to tag me in your pictures, and I'll be giving all the product details in the description box below. Make sure to check that out, and if you guys like this video, make sure to give this one a big thumbs up and also do share with your friends and family. And if you guys still haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, then please do subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell button, because if you don't hit the bell button, you won't be notified when I upload a new video. So make sure you hit that. And I'll be catching you guys again in my next video. Till then, you guys take care. Bye bye. হ্যালো, কোনোভাবে যদি এই ভিডিওটাতে এসে পড়েন এবং আপনারা যদি এই ভিডিওটা অ্যাকচুয়ালি বাংলায় দেখতে চান, তাহলে পাশের ভিডিওটাতে ক্লিক করুন।